Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.